Hello aspirants, welcome to GDC English classes. So in this video, we will discuss about what are the things to carry for the NIPER exam 2025. I hope you already got your hall tickets of NIPER. So it is very important. So still 1 year, from 1 year, you are preparing for the GPAT. So it is not about so you are preparing from 1 year or you are preparing for 6 months, but it is only about how you are presenting in your examination on particular day. So today is a 9 and tomorrow is the 10. You are going to write your exam. So stabilize your excitatory and inhibitory system of glutamate GABA as well as aspartate as well as glycine. So stabilize your psychological system by making balance between excitatory nervous system as well as inhibitory nervous system. So coming to the point here, so you know that you applied for 2 sessions. So one session is for the MS Pharm and M-Pharm MBA, and another session, sorry, most of you people are from pharma background. You mainly applied for MS Pharm as well as M-Pharm MBA, and date of examination is on 10/6/25, and mostly if you are selecting MS Pharm, M-Pharm MBA, so you will be writing exam on session 1 and your reporting time is 7:30 a.m. So you should be in the examination hall 8:30 a.m. So after 8:30 a.m. it is not allowed into the examination hall. Okay. So going into the further details, what are the documents you have to compulsory carry in the examination center? So the documents you should carry into the examination center, we will see one by one. Wait a minute. So candidates should reach the center of examination at least 1.5 hours before to the time of online test. While examination will start at 9 a.m., the entry gate closed at 8:30 a.m. So please be aware. So after that, nobody allowed for any candidate after 8:30 a.m. in any case. So please be aware. Candidates must bring the hall ticket to secure entry into the center of examination. So that is a simple thing, basic thing. So please carry your hall ticket. And any one of authorized photo IDs must be original, valid, non-expired, PAN card, driving license, voter ID, passport, Aadhaar card with photograph. Aadhaar card should be with photograph. Aadhaar enrollment number and ration card, whatever it may be, a valid ID card. So generally it is Aadhaar card. Most of we have. So please carry that Aadhaar card. And the name on the photo identification must be matched name as shown in the admit card. So what proof you are showing in that name should be matched with the admit card. Okay. So at the entrance of the center of examination premises, candidates will go through security check where the security guard will check for the hall ticket and valid original photo identity. So please support them. So security guard will check formality. So please go to the formalities without any hesitation. Candidates will not allowed to appear for the test if they fail to produce their valid photo identity proof as a stated on hall ticket at the time of verification. So at the time of verification in the exam center, you are failed to provide your hall ticket and proof ID. So next, candidates will be permitted to carry only a hall ticket, photo identity proof, transparent pen. Candidates must bring own mask, gloves, personal hand sanitizers, transport, water bottle. No other items will be allowed. So you should be carry out your ID proof, your hall ticket, and if you are hygienic, you can carry your gloves, your mask, and water bottle, transparent water bottle, and also the sanitizer also should be 50 ml, a small one only. And other things are not allowed. Please be aware. Candidates will not be allowed to carry any text material, printed, written, bits of paper, slide rules, log tables, electronic watches, facilities or calculator, mobile phone, electronic device, bags, books, food packets, and belongings or any other material inside the test center. So these are the basic things. So do not carry any books, any printed material, any watches, any phones, any food items, any packets. Don't carry anything apart from your ID proof if it is other as well as your hall ticket. Okay. And each candidate will provide with a blank page for rough work. The page will be collected back by the invigilator. So that is also common. You will provide with a rough pages, blank papers for rough work, and pen also provided. Mostly you are not having that much time because sniper exam is for the 2 hours, 200 questions. It is knowing about how much you are accurating, correcting answers in the 2 hours for 200 questions. So in the 𝘎𝙂𝙎𝙎 also, there is a one scene between the 𝘎𝑑evasena, Anushka and Ramyakrishna Sivagami. So 𝘎devasena, Anushka questioned Sivagami. So it is not about big buildings. It is about pure heart. Okay. So it is not about big buildings means the persons in the big building, they are not having pure heart. But the persons in the big buildings and the large emperors, they have pure heart, that is good. So what I am trying to tell, so it is not about since how many days, how many months you are preparing, you should be in the exam, you should be in the reality, you should be observe the questions, understand the question, and it is a test for yourself to enter into the dream of every pharma student's NIPA. Next, candidates should listen carefully to the instructions given by the invigilator as well as read the instructions displayed in the system prior to the commencement of the test. Prior to the commencement of test. So that is also very simple. So please listen carefully instructions provided by the invigilator and please read carefully instructions in the system also before going to your computer based test. Okay. And next. So next is candidates should candidates should not talk to other candidates or involved in any malpractice. So this is also very because you are professional students, you are too busy with your 2 hours, you are not having enough time to see that side, this side, and chit chat with others. So don't do this. Don't waste your time. So please activate your excitatory inhibitory system and balance your system and open your blood-brain barrier. So in your blood-brain barrier, many things are stored. So activate the Bluetooth in the blood-brain barrier and try to give correct answer to get a top rank. So you will definitely qualify. That's sure, not a problem. But only thing is aim for the top rank. Choose wisely while answering the questions. Candidates shall not allowed to leave the test center if they finish. So that is also common point. So they are not allowed to leave the center before the time. You have to stay there only. And the candidates must remain seated there, allocated seated until test time over. Invigilator asks them to leave. So before the invigilator will inform, and until that, don't leave your seat in the examination hall. No request for change of examination test center. So there is a no chance for change your examination center. That is not possible. Candidates are required to self-attest their hall ticket and submit at the test center. Okay, so these are the things you have to carry and instructions you have to follow. So please be aware. So you are at the final step, you are at the door, everything is fine till now. The only thing is how you are presenting yourself in that course is very, very essential. It is not about 1 year of GPAT preparation, it is not about 6 months of GPAT preparation, it is not about last 20 days of micro preparation. You have the knowledge that everything will be in your blood-brain barrier already is there. So open it wisely, open it choosely. So okay. So all the best from the GDC English classes. Everything is going well. So I hope you will be in the top 10. And only thing is your way of thinking and your way of approaching in the examination. Please observe questions carefully. What questions they gave. So understand and clearly study and after that only give the answer. So NIPER having only 2 hours, 200 questions. So choose wisely and be careful while answering the questions. Okay. So all the best. Rock it. Thank you. And subscribe to our GDC English classes. And GDC English classes going to start its new batch of GPAT 26-27 from this month, June. So inform to your juniors and your colleague mates who are looking for GPAT coaching. All the best.